Hello from London's Gatwick Airport. There's my plane. Today I'm flying to Orlando Airport in America. It is such an exciting day. I booked an economy seat, I got upgraded to premium economy, and now, just at the gate, I've been upgraded to 2J, to club. I am so excited. I never ever get to turn left on the plane. Let's see what it's like. There's the plane in full glory. This is my first time ever turning left. Thank you. Where is my seat? I am 2J. Here is 2. J is up there. So I think my seat is down here. So that is my seat from the outside. Let's go sit in it. Before I do, there is a white company blanket there. That's nice. Big pillow and a nice blanket. There, I've just unzipped it. There you can see all this bedding inside. Several different layers. Ooh, champagne time. Thank you. It's actually nice. Here we are, finally I've arrived. So exciting, so much space. I like turning left better. Let me just show you the seat. There we go. And now I'll show you the legroom. So much legroom, look at that. There's the champagne and there is the seat my feet will be able to go onto later. Down by my feet is a drawer, a very useful drawer. We've got headphones in there. I put my chicken in here, they give me water, and also there is a white company pouch. I love white company, so let's have a look at that in a second. So what's in the bag? Here we have toothpaste, we have some moisturizer, and we have an aromatherapy stick. This is to help me sleep better. It's a day flight, so I'm not sure I'm going to sleep. But most importantly, we have a really nice big eye mask. That's a really good size. If I do that, it's a really good size. And we also have some really nice socks, so that's good. And I've got my champagne, so I'm feeling very, very happy indeed. Cheers. I've also found in my little goodie bag some earplugs and some lip balms. That's very nice too. Now let's look at the menu. Nice big heavy duty menu, lots and lots of tipples from the bar there, and there's lunch and dinner. I will show you in a second. And there's going to be British afternoon tea afterwards with proper actual tea. Ooh, look, I get a choice of starter and main course and dessert. How about that? And look, there's an actual wine list. Champagne and sparkling white wines, red wines. I am going to have some fun with that. Port. I can get some port if I want to. Here we have the USB charge to the right of the seat and the remote control. If you're was a great flight. It was daytime, so I didn't sleep, but I did manage to rest lying back, and that was lovely, and it passed so quickly. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed my review video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's a little circle going to come up on the screen, round
Ladies and
there.
gentlemen, very
Click on
welcome
it.
to Orlando.
Happy
Please do
travelling.
remain seated with your